Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you want your day to be instantly better? Well, I sure do. So I want to show you this Nutella hazelnut spread. This stuff is amazing. It instantly makes you feel very happy because it is so delicious. So this is a chocolate hazelnut spread. It is really like the perfect food. You can literally put this on anything. You can put it in recipes. You can eat it out of the jar. So this is like a good friend of peanut butter. So you can use this in like all the places that you would use peanut butter, on toast or on an apple or a banana, like so many uses. It's also really great with peanut butter too. So the possibilities are endless, and as soon as you bring out a jar of Nutella, everybody around you is gonna be super happy. So if you've never had it, you have to give it a try. It's so good. It's got an amazingly creamy and smooth texture, and it's just awesome. So we never go without Nutella in our house. It's always in the pantry because it's just something that you're gonna crave. It is amazing. That's my point of view.